In today's video, I will teach you how to apply virtual makeup to your photos using AI. Let's get started. First, visit the Photor AI photo editor, then click Upload to either use your own photo or select a sample image. On the left panel, click Beauty, then select AI Makeup under Smart AI Tools. Now we're going to choose a makeup style. Here you have two options, Recommended and Custom. Under the Recommended, you can browse a variety of preset looks from elegant to doll-like, grunge rock, and more. Simply click a style and hit the Generate to apply it. The processing may take 30 seconds to 1 minute depending on the image and effect. For more control over the makeup look, you can use the Custom option. For a more personalized style, you can upload a clear photo of a face with makeup as a reference. Then click Generate to apply a similar look to your uploaded image. Now use the zoom control on the bottom right, or use your mouse to scroll to check details up close. Then click the Compare button to toggle between the original and the edited version. And once satisfied, you can click Apply to finalize the look. Then click Download at the top right to save the edited image to your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.